Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you 10 lipstick custom mixes that you can make yourself. So we are starting strong with this stunning maroon red. It screams confidence, perfect for festive nights or when you want to own the room. Now switching it up with the rose pink. This one is soft, romantic and works beautifully for brunch dates or even daily wear. Here comes peach, fresh, juicy and minimal. Honestly, this could be your go to for office or casual days. A classic pink is a must in every kit. I'm mixing a few tones here to get that balance, medium pink, not too bright, not too dull. Next, this rich burgundy shade, total bridal vibes. It looks intense, royal, and makes your features pop instantly. Now let's add some fire and spicy red. It's bold, fierce, and perfect when you want to turn heads. And now for something soft and dreamy, that is lavender. Trust me, this pastel shade is so underrated but looks gorgeous on warm undertones. Mauve is that one shade that works for everyone. Cool, sophisticated, and super wearable from AM to PM. So let's get a little playful with this purple. Mix right, it's edgy and bold, ideal for parties or Insta worthy looks. And finally, a rich plum shade, deep, dramatic, and totally winter approved. So, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, I mix custom lipstick shades in every video and shorts. So, drop your dream combo below, and I just might make it next. Thank you for watching.